All right, let's talk about a huge security risk you probably haven't even thought about. You've likely seen a Raspberry Pi. It's that cool credit card sized computer for hobbyists, right? But what if I told you it's also a potential master key into your entire corporate network? I mean, it's a full fledged computer, processor, memory, the works, all on a tiny little board. Now, these things are showing up in elevator emergency phones. Yeah, a hobbyist gadget in a life safety system. So, why on earth is a toy for tinkerers being used to meet strict safety compliance standards? Well, it really just comes down to this: they're super cheap and a fast way to meet regulations. But here's the problem: it was never built for this. It's not durable, it's not secure, it's just not reliable. And the absolute biggest risk? It can launch attacks that your fancy security software can't even see. Because they operate on the physical layer, they are literally invisible to your digital defenses. Think of network access control, or NAC, as your network's bouncer. It checks IDs at the door. An attacker just plugs one in, fakes the address of a trusted device, and boom, they walk right past the bouncer. With special tools, they can siphon data and install backdoors. It's some pretty nasty stuff. This begs the question, right? How do you even begin to secure this critical physical weak point? Okay, so there are basically two ways you can tackle this threat head on. First up, secure by design. This means using systems that were built for high security from day one. We're talking secure boot, heavy data encryption. Security is baked right into the hardware itself. The other way is what's called rogue device mitigation. You basically assume a breach is possible and hunt for it. This tech actually fingerprints the hardware. It can spot a Raspberry Pi pretending to be something innocent. So the big takeaway here is that your software firewalls are pretty much useless against a physical threat. And this isn't a small problem. We're talking about thousands of these systems out there right now. So you really have to ask yourself, your software might be secure, but is your hardware?